Today is February 1st. Winter, snow right now. It's up to foot. Approximately at least 10 inches of snow is on the street. The wind gusting. A very intense wind. There's no water call on the street. You see the block. You can't even hardly see any car on the street. Snow is very intense. People are walking on foot. It's very steep. So there's like 10 inches of snow right now. This is the first snowstorm. Well, actually, it's the second snowstorm in New York City. Just show my block. This is the conditions outside right now. It looks like everybody stay home, stay safe. There's not to go out. As you can see, the mayor has an order of restrictions only for essential workers to travel only. So stay off the road. Good day, everybody.